Welcome back. All right, so today we're gonna be going to Aldi to see what they have for home items and stuff like that. It is a bit messy right now in Aldi, but we're gonna take a look anyway. So they have these cute little gnomes here, and they like in the spring colors, and they're weighted too. So they have like a little weight to them, like in the body, and they came in a bunch of pretty different colors. These pots, love them, love them, love them, love them. So the big one is 25, and then the smaller one is $19. They came in the purple, and then in that pretty floral print right there. It says Dutch oven, but it's like lightweight. But I really don't know what constitutes a Dutch oven. Mine is heavy though, like a cast iron one. So maybe it's just a regular one. Then they have this farmhouse like butter dish. It's just a plain simple butter dish. It was $10. This garland bead right here for $7, and that came in different colors. This right here, Leave Me Alone, for $5 for that one. The this candle right here with the little rattan details on it, $7. Just something cute for that right there. And then they have these tablecloths with all the pretty spring colors and things on them, $13 for those. So you can get in the floral prints, you can get in like the checkered prints, just a bunch of pretty colors. They have dish drying mats, which I love to put, under your dish drain. They have those there. They have kitchen towels. This griddle right here, $25. It's an electric griddle. Something great if you don't have one, and it's easy to cook. The little cat scratching post there for, I think it was $9. A bunch of doormats for $7. So they have this one right here with the pretty love you a whole bunch. And then they have this floral print one here. This one is hard to see, but it has cute little gnomes on it, but they were all, buried underneath. They have little pet raincoats there for $7. So not bad at all for these prices. The little grooming things and the little electric toy. So the grooming thing is going to be $5, and then the little electric toy that you can use like for your cat. I have a ferret, but she would like this too, for $10. Just something cute, just pet like stuff like that. $17 for these pictures, and they are a nice size, and it's got a little weight to them too. So they kind of have that farmhouse look too, and they came in those 3 different colors there at mine. Little scrubbing gloves so you can get, spring clean ready for $7. Those were these rompers, $13. They felt super soft. So they were lightweight, not heavy, so they'd be good for spring, but it felt super soft. So you might want to grab something like that. This right here, the little kid rain boots they have. So they had different prints. So you might want to grab some of those. They have adult rain boots too, but those were the kid ones that they had stacked right there. Cute little shirt right here with the little knot details, so it kind of has that tied up look. Little scrubbers for your kitchen. You can put the soap in there. You can get those a lot of different places, but I like those. Then they have just a bunch of other stuff just randomly put out there. They have some jeggings. They have these cute little kid rain jackets right here for $18. So those were cute, and they came in different colors for those. So you might want to grab something like that. These little clear bins here, $15 for these. They have this little collapsible cube right here with the lid. So the lid is like, kind of hard. So it's kind of sturdy, like for $10 for those. It's a 2-pack. Then they have this lamp right here. It didn't have the little label on the outside to see how much it was, but I thought it was something cute. So you might want to grab that. These again didn't have the label on the outside, but they have the cover for the armchair and the cover for the sofa. And then this cute little lantern right here, it came in white with a little black contrast, or you can get this wood one here, and they both come with the little handle and the little faux light inside of it. Thought those were cute. This right here, so this portable spot cleaner they have. They have these little cashmere throws for about $12 for those, and they were like nice and soft but lightweight at the same time. So that's just something cute. Then they have this sheet set, $35, and that was like a size queen, 500 thread count. These are the ladies' boots. So they had little kid boots, and then these are the ladies' boots. I'm not sure if they have more prints than those, but they were the purple and they had the blue. These little shoes right here, they did have those in different colors, but somebody was over there. So again, more stuff that didn't have a good label on it. So they had some bath mats, but the label wasn't there for those. But if you want to grab some, they have them. They have that little storage right there for $15. They have some little reading glasses, $5. These lanterns I thought were cute. They were on sale for $7.50, and they came in 3 different styles. So that one had an opening because you can see the glasses fell in there. Then they have the other ones there. They have this little inflatable bed, $50 for that. And then this I thought was interesting because it's a little swivel cushion. They have it in a car, but you can use that on a regular chair and stuff too. So it's a cushion, then it swivels around. All the little faux plants were gone, but they had these cute little set of glasses here, so you get a set of 2. And then they had the hammer. Look, didn't see a label on those either. This, the little scrubber, $10. They have a little vacuum too, a little mini vacuum too. But this I thought was cool because to get into the grout and like behind the sink, all the different things and clean that, and it's small and compact. These little faux florals right here for $15, and then these cute signs for $10. So they were a good size. So if you're looking for some wall decor or something like that, you might want to grab one of those because they came in those 2 different things right there. Thought those were nice. Little wreaths, I think those were like $9. A ton of pet beds for only $17. So these would fit like a large dog, like a mid-sized dog. A small dog would love it because it could just lavish all in it. $18 for this little sheet set with little fun kid prints on it. Some of this other stuff, again, no label, but they had this big mirror tucked in there, which it would be hard to find amongst all the pet beds, but they had that nice little simple mirror. They had this rug. All the other prints were gone, so they only had that one left, but you can see they had 4 prints available on that one, and it's like, soft and shaggy. This toaster, again, out of place, but it kind of gives you that retro vibe, and it kind of looks like the Beautiful Collection at Walmart from Drew Barrymore. Kind of does. This was just a hot mess, so I really couldn't find what was labeled there, but they have a bunch of fleeces and different things like that. Sheet sets, $10. These curtains here, so they have these curtains here for $9, and they came in these 2 prints, and they come with 2 panels. I love when it comes in 2 panels because you can get both, the whole window covered. This, I thought that was something else, but it was just a little chamois thing. This right here, just a men's pullover, a little simple pullover, and they had that it was only $15 for that. This, I wish I saw a label on this. So cute. The little pendant light, thought that was nice. The bamboo pendant light. Like I said, just a ton of stuff. This chair, definitely didn't see a tag for that, but it was like kind of like a velvet, and it was just a cute little chair. It's like kind of like a dark blue. These diffusers here, so $15 for those, and those came in different prints, so you might want to grab those if you are into diffusers and things like that. So Aldi is like, they change in and out with their stuff, and they labels just aren't keeping up. At least on this side of the aisle, the labels didn't keep up with the stuff that was changing. So I guess they're working as fast as they can. These right here, these little ceramic pieces, so they had different ones, and they were all $5, which I thought was good because that's not bad at all to get your desk organized. You can also just turn these around and use these on your vanity if you don't want to, keep the words there. That's what I would do. The little spin mop set, $17. I have one of these, the other brand, and I paid more than $17 for mine. So you can get that, and it comes with a little extra head to it too. Cement lamp, $50 for that. That's a nice, simple modern piece, and that'll go in a lot of different places. So if you're looking for something like that, you might want to grab that. This little chip tray or whatever you want to use it for, it has the little circle in the middle, so you can put dip in there. $25, and it's a good size. These little they call them bamboo trays, like wood, whatever, and they came in 2 different shapes. So that that big circle and then kind of like the oval shape there for 6.50. The this right here, the little fire pit, for 140. Then they have this, the another griddle, but this one has a bamboo around the edge, so that one is 30. And then they have the little two-piece cast iron set for 7.50. So it looks just like the other one, but it has the bamboo on the outside. And then the little griddle set here with the little two, so this would be cute for making some, little dishes or something like that. These were heavy, $15. So they have the wood and then they have the marble on like the edge. So that came in that shape, and then it came in a circular shape too. Another bed set. So this one is a queen and it's $40, and you get the whole little comforter set there. So I'm assuming it comes with the two shams and then it comes with the comforter for the $40. These pieces of furniture right here, so they have the little books, the bookend set right there, $38. I mean, sorry, bookcase. And then they have the little accent bench. So both of those pieces, and they go together. So you might want to grab something like that. And I just noticed they had an accent cabinet there too. So they had all of those pieces there. So you might want to head over to Aldi and see what your Aldi has for home right now.